Oh, you do?
Well, that other hose that's in the front garage, that has to be hooked up in the front in case we need it for, washing cars.
Now this is nice. You guys get to scrub and clean, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks for taking pictures. What do we got over here, Steph?
New additions to our Michigan family.
What is it?
New additions to our Michigan family.
I can't hear you because you're facing down scrubbing the deck.
New additions to the Michigan family.
What is it?
Birds.
They're birds? What kind of birds?
Robins. Yes.
They're robins?
And Mother Robin keeps coming and feeding them.
And Mommy keeps coming to feed them?
Yep.
Didn't Angelo say that you can't move nests?
Yep. Yep.
Didn't you move the nest?
I moved the nest, but I did not touch the eggs. So that
Didn't
might
touch
have
the
been
eggs.
why the mother came back.
Oh. So then could Angelo be wrong?
Angelo, yeah,
He what?
Angelo was wrong.
Angelo was wrong? Oh my God. We're going to have to talk to Angelo about that. All right. Good to see the birds. Good to see you guys are scrubbing.
Yeah, well,
This is nice.
Don't worry. we can use another pair of hands.
You can use another pair of hands. I got to go.